Hi, please click on subscribe button and hit the bell to get all the notifications about learning and teaching. In this video, we are going to learn and understand the concept of scheduling and how do we schedule jobs using Spring Boot. So what is scheduling? The answer is like performing a task at regular intervals of time or specified time intervals is called scheduling. Assume you want to perform a job at a certain time and you are unable to be there at that time. So what we are going to do? So we schedule a job and it will get executed at that point of time. Now, this job is just like a Java method, okay, where the method gets invoked and performs certain tasks. The challenge here is to perform this scheduling using Spring Boot. Let's see how can we achieve this. First, we shall create a Spring Boot starter project. We know there are different ways of doing that. I'll go to File, New, and I'll search for Spring Boot starter project. Now you have to enter artifact ID, version ID, description, etc. You can provide your build type, maybe a Maven or Gradle, packaging, jar or var, right? Now next, this project does not need any dependencies as such, but I will show you the pom.xml. Now, once you are done with this, you click on next and finish to get a project like this. I'll take you to pom.xml. We all know that pom.xml is a recipe for our Spring Boot project. So all the dependencies will be there here. For this project, we use only this Spring Boot starter. There are no additional dependencies required for scheduling jobs. Now let's go through some classes. I have just created two class files. The first one is the normal one which is there for every Spring Boot project, right? You can see the annotations Spring Boot application, and I think I have explained this in my previous videos. I will not go into this. The focus here is on add enable scheduling. This is a special annotation which is used for this project. So at enable scheduling ensures that a background task executor is created. That is the purpose of this. So here I have used component scan. I'll inform why this is used a little later. So I have a package com.learningandteaching.task. Okay, and I have a simple spring application.run and I have used this class file. That's it. This is the first class. In the next class is mytasks.java. This is a simple Java class file. I have used a annotation called add component. Okay, we have created a Java method here, and this gets invoked every 5 seconds and sends email to friends. So in this previous class, at component scan tells Spring to look for other components, configurations, and services in the package, allowing it to find the controllers. Right? Now what happens here? I have given this as 5 seconds as fixed rate. So every 5 seconds, ideally, this should get invoked. I have used a standard format for date, which is month mmdd YYYY. Although there is no email configuration done here, it's only a representation. Okay, you can see at scheduled, the scheduled annotation defines when a particular method runs. Okay, this provides the definition. This example uses fixed rate, which is 5 seconds, which specifies the interval between method invocations measured from the start time of each invocation. Now let's run this program. This is all we have done as a part of scheduling jobs. I will go to scheduler application and click on run as Java application. Let's see what happens in the console. In the console, the application has got started, right? Now you can see that there is send mail to friends that is getting executed, and you can note the time interval. There is a gap of 5 seconds between all these method invocations, right? If you keep waiting, it keeps printing, in the sense in the background the method is getting invoked, and assume a mail is triggered for every 5 seconds. This is how we schedule jobs in Spring Boot. You can see the 5-second gap. This is all about scheduling in Spring Boot. Thank you for watching.